Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Zone. My name is Lakshmikant. Here I am going to start series on basic programs which generally ask in your exams or in interviews to check your logical skill. Here is some list of the programming languages: C, C++, Java, ASP, ASP.NET, VB.NET, PHP. There are other languages as well: COBOL, Pascal, and many more. So these are the languages ASP, ASP.NET. So few are used for to build the desktop application and few are used for the web applications like ASP.NET and the PHP, Java. These are used for the to build the web applications, or we can say website. I am PHP developer, so I will write these programs in the PHP. So for the PHP, you need some environment like we can say the setup to run the PHP program. So out of this the list, at least one setup we require to run the program. So WAMP is nothing but the Windows Apache MySQL PHP. Second one is the LAMP Linux Apache MySQL PHP. Third is the SAM cross platform Apache MySQL PHP Perl. So we can use any one of them. So I already installed the XAMPP on my system. So let's have a look. So once you install the XAMPP, you will find the htdocs folder. So under this htdocs, I already created one folder, that is the program list. Okay, so here we will see all our programs. So this is nothing but the basic program list where we will cover the program like Fibonacci series, find a prime number, factorial of a number, find odd or even number, find the given number is given year is the leap year or not, reverse number, print the number 1 to 10 without using any loop statement, swap two numbers without using third variable, find maximum number from an array, find second maximum number from an array. So let's start the Fibonacci series program. So Fibonacci series is nothing but or we can say the number is nothing but the sum of the last two preceding numbers. So here you can see the example starts with the 0 1, then 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and so on. So to start the Fibonacci series, at least we should have the two numbers. So in this example you are saying the two numbers are there, 0 and 1. Okay, so next third one is the number which is nothing but the sum of 0 and 1. So 2 is nothing but the addition of 1 and 1. 3 is nothing but the addition of 1 and 2. So next is 5, so that is the addition of 2 and 3. So just consider the example of again 8. So 8 is nothing but the addition of 3 and 5. So this is nothing but the addition of the two preceding numbers. So this is the series, but how we can write this program in the programming language? So we will start. So let's move on. Let's start to write Fibonacci series program in PHP. So in PHP, your program always start with the opening and closing tag. Here is the syntax. If you are using the earlier version, that is the 4, you can use the short tag like this, but I am currently using the 7.4, so I will go with the full syntax. Here I just mentioned the name of the program, that is the Fibonacci series at top, just to give the name of my program file. Okay, so this is in the comment, and here I am going to be print like the output in the comment, like what should be the my output of this the program. and so on. So to start the Fibonacci series, we should at least the two number. So here I am going to consider the two numbers 0 and 1, and then we will print the array series. Okay. So in PHP, your variable always start with the dollar. So I am going to declare the two variables and assign the values. Use the echo statement to print any text or statement, we can say. At the last I will put the PR tag, so whatever the echo statement next to this one, so it will goes to the next line. You have to save this file. So in this video at the earlier I told you that you need at least one setup required to run the PHP program, either WAMP, LAMP or XAMPP. So LAMP is basically for the Linux, but I installed the XAMPP on my server, so I install onto the T drive. So here you can find out the XAMPP. Under this you will get the htdocs folder, and under this I created one folder that is the program list. So I am going to save this Fibonacci series program under this folder. So just give the name of the program. So your program file must save with the .php extension. Save it. Now I want to run the file, but before that I will print this two number $num1 and num2. Dot is used to concatenate the two variables. So once you install the XAMPP, you have to go to the XAMPP folder. In this you have to double click on the XAMPP control. So this panel will open. So there are the two servers, Apache and MySQL. Suppose you want to deal with the database, then you have to start MySQL. Currently we are not going to use this one because there is no any database related operations we are doing. So just start the Apache. Now server is start. Open the browser. Type http localhost and your program folder. That is my folder name is the program list. So just enter. Here is your file. Click on it. So whatever the statements we write under the echo, here will be the output 510 series, and then we print the num1 and num2. Now here we are just start the 0 and 1, okay, but we want to print the Fibonacci series. Now take a loop, for loop. So the syntax is the same just like we use into C and C++. The initialization, the condition, and then increment. So in Fibonacci series, the third number, that is we can say the upcoming number, is nothing but the addition of the two preceding numbers. Okay, so here is the preceding numbers are 0 and 1. So I am going to declare another third variable. Print this variable. Save it, run it. So we already print the 0 and 1. Then we just done the addition 0 and 1, and it print 1 only 10 times because loop we're executing the 10 times. Okay, but here is not the our desired output. Okay, so what happened here, we have to assign this. So at the first place this is the num1 and this is the num2. Now we have to assign the upcoming values to the variable, that is the second, and this is the this one also we need to change with the $num2. For example, so at first place this is the num1 and num2. this one num2, and this is our value of the num3. So now in the next we have to consider this one as a num1 and this is the num2. So how we can do that? So we have to just assign this value dollar num1 equal to num2 and dollar num2 equal to dollar num3. So just like this is the at plus plus, this is the num1 num2. Now this will be the num1 and then num2. In next loop, this is the num1 and this will be the num2 and so on. So just save it and run it. Okay, so here the Fibonacci series printed, but it is not into the comma separated. Okay, we need the comma separated, so we have to add the comma. Here also we need to add the comma. So our output will be like this: 0, comma, 1, comma, and then our Fibonacci series will be start. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, like this. Okay, so we print this Fibonacci series up to the 12 numbers because we already add the 0 and 1 at the start of the program. Suppose you want to increase this series, so we can increase, like suppose we want to print say up to the 17, just like total 17, so we can add only the 5, increase the count and just refresh. It will add the next the numbers. So this is not necessary to start the Fibonacci series always with the 0 and 1. Okay, we can consider another example. Suppose now I'm going to take the two numbers like 3 and 4, and my output should be like this: 3, 4, then addition of these two numbers 7, then 4 plus 7 11, then 18, and so on. So here you need to just change the two things, that is the num1 equal to assign the 3 and then the 4. Just save it and run the program. Okay, so here will be the Fibonacci series will print with the starting of the two numbers, that is nothing but a 3 and 4. So that's it from the Fibonacci series. I hope you like the video. Please share with your friends and subscribe my channel so you will get the notification on such learning videos, and thanks for watching.